A lot of people don't think much about bicycle safety. This company does. The company is called ProVision. You can find these on Amazon. I'm going to put links at the bottom of the video. This is a special kit that they sell with a handlebar light. So this one has multiple modes. Very, very easy to hook up to the handlebars. It has just a little attachment over here that just slaps on the handlebars and then you're good to go. This is the rear light that attaches to the back of the bicycle. It has multiple modes also. So it has red, flashing red, white and red. So it has all kinds of modes, and it's definitely going to increase safety. Also, they are both rechargeable. So all you have to do is just plug it in over here with a USB cord from any cell phone charger, and it will charge automatically. The same exact thing with this one. Just plugs in over here, and very, very easy to charge. It makes the bicycle very, very visible here in the back. It has different modes. So red only, low red, white, flashing red slower, flashing red and white, which is one of my favorite. So that is pretty awesome. This is the one in the front that has a nice green light on top over here, so you could see what I'm pushing on. And it has this mode over here. Then off, it's on. This is my favorite mode for sure. This is another product that they have on their website, and this one basically replaces this one, but it has extra functions, and the functions are very, very cool. Once this one is turned on, will automatically change its light mode from just a normal light to a brake light. So it has a special sensor built in. When you have a certain deceleration, this particular item will actually illuminate. That way it shows that your bicycle is stopping. So it is also a safety device. It will make the bicycle a lot more visible. If somebody's riding behind you, you're not going to be able to run over, because this one will act like the light for the back of the car. So it's exactly the same principle. They both come with a USB charging cord, and also this one comes with a special adapter, which is for a V-shaped frame. So if you have a frame that is V-shaped, this adapter will work with the unit. I don't have an expensive bicycle, but I do have a fast bicycle. It's an electric with a battery pack and a 1000-watt motor, and this one will definitely prevent a car running in the back of me. So absolutely very, very excited about this particular product. But also being visible from the front so nobody runs you over, it's important. And this one comes with a beautiful kit with a rear light also, so you're even more visible than you were before.